With soaring temperatures, putting your air conditioner on full blast, it can be a drain on your wallet. On Twitter, we asked, what was your worst summer electric bill? $100, $200, $300 or more. And look at that. $300 or more right now is winning by over 50%. Well, your bill doesn't have to be that high. Home improvement expert Danny Lipford joins us with tips on what you can do to save energy and lower that bill. Danny, thanks for joining us this morning. What are some of the key things you should do in your home to ensure that your AC costs go down?
Well, you spend all that money making that air nice and comfortable inside your house. You need to keep it in your house by sealing up any crack that you may have outside your home. Or if you're doing a little remodeling, take advantage of any opportunity you have there to raise the energy efficiency of your home. Just like we did here. We're right in the middle of a renovation that'll be featured on an upcoming episode of my television show, Today's Homeowner. And we replaced a 25-year-old door unit with a very energy efficient unit. And while we had the trim off, we filled up every little crack we possibly could with caulking, and some of the areas that we had around some of the windows that we had here were pretty pronounced, so we had to use an expandable foam. But something that you can do to an existing home is really look at these cracks along here, and here's a great tip. Pick up a caulk that matches the siding so that you don't have to do any paint touch-up. It'll be very easy to walk around the house and take care of this. But most important is make sure you have that professional company come out, AC company, and service your central air and heat system, because, you know, I ask a lot of homeowners, when's the last time you had your system serviced? And they give me that puzzled look. That means they haven't done it in a while. Extremely important to make it efficient and safe for your family.
Okay, the big debate, Danny, here, the thermostat debate. What is the best temperature that we should have our AC on? I should say to save money, not to make everyone happy necessarily.
Well, it's certainly a great conversation piece, because people will tell you all kinds of things. Of course, at night, it's nice to have it a little cooler, but really the Department of Energy recommends 78 degrees. And you might go, wow, that's just way too hot. But if you'll do a few things like turn on your ceiling fan to the counterclockwise position, it'll actually cool you down a little bit. Not cool the room, but it'll cool you if you're in the room. And we talk about the secret switch. There's a little switch there right above the fan blades that will reverse your fan. So make sure when you're looking up at it, it is turning counterclockwise.
All right, Danny, we have 1 minute left. You should have seen Jen's reaction. She said yes, because she likes it warm, and Kid Tori was like melting over there with that 78. All right, what kind of savings are we talking about if we do these things?
Well, if you think about the cost of what I just mentioned, with having the guy come out and service your AC unit and a few of these things with caulk and foam and so forth, you're going to spend about $125. But the average American home yearly annual bill is $2,100. If you can save 25%, which is usually what you can, you're going to save $500 for that $100 or $125 investment. That's a pretty good ROI on your energy savings.
I would say so. We are all saying, we're all nodding our heads, yes. Danny Lipford, we always love when you come on. You have the best tips, and we certainly appreciate your time this morning.